Hello everyone! I cannot believe that we are already halfway through January. Something that always happens after the new year is it seems like it has been the new year far longer than it already has, but at the same time is going by very quickly. So I hope that you're all well. This is actually the second time that I have recorded the actual word part of this episode, because the first time there was no mic and no sound. My husband and I have been sharing the mic that we use, and I had the wrong cord plugged in because I'm really good at technology. Anyway, I am so excited about this particular vlog because it involves news of new products coming to my shop. I have collaborated with one of my very favorite stamp makers, rubber stamp makers, the Cupcake Tree. She is on Etsy, Cupcake Tree Stamps, I'm sorry, and she is so talented, such a dream to work with, and she made all of my designs just come to life in the most magical way. They look amazing, they're perfect. So I will now be carrying in the Simply Serving shop rubber stamps, and these are quite small. They are the perfect size for putting a little decoration in the borders of your journal or using in your planners. And yeah, I've really enjoyed them. I've been using them in my packaging because, as I mentioned in my New Year's vlog, one of the goals that I have for this year is to reduce waste, and one of the ways that I did that was I stopped using stickers, at least until I'm using up what I have here and there, but then I'm not restocking the stickers that I've been using previously in my packages, and I've been going to rubber stamps, which feeds my rubber stamp obsession, as well as inspired me to bring rubber stamps into my shop. So yes, I'm so excited about that. We signed up this year for our first meal kit subscription. We saw a coupon deal that was going on with HelloFresh and decided to go for it and try it out. And I love cooking, but I hate coming up with recipes, and by the end of the day my creative energy is usually pretty low after having sculpted all day and, you know, done artsy things all day, and I just have no inspiration for food by the end of the day, even though we're pretty hungry by the end of the day. We don't eat big lunches, and usually supper is when we're supposed to get most of our calorie intake, and HelloFresh really has kind of helped with that, and the food has been delicious. So this week I am putting together little planner accessory boxes for my sisters. We all use planners. I am not quite as good at it as my sisters. I usually fizzle out with my planning around spring/early summer, which, I mean, I make it through half the year. I'm hoping to do better this year. I am not putting as much pressure on myself to be like super good at using my planner this year. I'm just going to kind of do it during my busiest weeks when I need a little bit more organization. But I know that all of them, my three sisters, they use their planners a lot. So I thought it would be really fun to put together a little just a little gift box for them. We are meeting up on Saturday. One of them is getting married in October, and we are all bridesmaids. My mom is the matron of honor, and yeah, we're getting together on Saturday, so I'm trying to get those together to give to them on Saturday. I was originally going to ship them, but this kind of worked out better. And my mom does not use a planner. She uses her phone, so she gets a pair of hand knit socks instead. So just something kind of fun, kind of random, not really a special occasion other than, of course, getting together to discuss the wedding, which is very exciting. I hope that you all have been enjoying the new year so far. Again, it's only been 14 days of the new year, but I hope that it has been a good one for you so far and continues to be so. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.